So again, Forma is all about bringing in data to help you make design decisions. And knowing that this was a brownfield site, knowing that we had that huge cylinder that was holding gas on site, one of the other maps to bring in is the map of the brownfield excavation. And if you'll notice, this is right where that cylinder is. At up to 30 feet of soil were removed and recompacted to build that site back up to a safe condition. Now, the reality is it's probably okay to build on all of that. It has passed all of its inspections and tests, but I would really like to know sort of how that is going to play out as I build. If there's a way to avoid some of that, it might be a really nice thing to have. So I'm going to, again, position that as another map. This one happens to scale itself out almost exactly with the site, where I can see edge to edge. Let's double click and make a couple of really simple adjustments on this, just kind of line it up just a little bit better. To get that working with that road here. That stretched out just a little bit more on that side. Good. Okay, and same thing, I'm going to set that transparency to about 50%. Again, that's information that I want to be able to see, but I also want to see everything else through that as well. Okay, so the next thing that I really like about how that's playing out is this idea that I can create sketches to overlay really quickly and really easily on top of whatever's happening. So right now we have our students working through their design proposals. So if I grab Josh Wolke's and look at this set of design proposals that he has coming together, these quick little thumbnail sketches, these visceral drawings that you create, that the 3D programs are great, but there's no way to replicate this idea of just these quick sketches, these quick ideation things that happen. And again, those are things that I can bring in really quickly. So I've already uploaded. I can take that, position it on site, scale it out. And really quickly, I can begin to get an idea of how this, as another layer of information, is going to start to work. And from here, I can start creating some massing in different ways, shapes, and forms. We'll look at another way of doing massing here in just a second. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that, and we will launch from that location.